Hi everyone, I am so excited to join you at the upcoming Microsoft 365 Community Conference in Orlando, Florida from April 21st to 23rd. This event is all about the future of work and how Microsoft is redefining what's possible and how you can bring that innovation into the daily flow for everybody in your organization. During the event, I will share how AI-powered experiences across Copilot and Teams, and of course SharePoint, is reshaping how people communicate, create, and work together. We'll highlight what's new, what's different, and why thoughtful design continues to matter. You'll see the latest advances in AI and agents, gain insights into where collaboration is headed, and learn why Microsoft is the company to continue to bet on when it comes to building what's next. You'll get hands-on experience with powerful new AI capabilities designed for every role and every function, walking away with real skills you can use immediately. Most importantly though, you'll be part of a global community, connecting with experts and practitioners who share your passion for learning and innovating and leading through change. So I hope you'll register today and invite others in your network to join us. I can't wait to see you there.